Hello guys, review smartphone ZTE Blade L9. This version 1GB memory and 32GB internal memory. Look, completion. In completion we have adapter for charging, micro USB cable and documentary. That's all. Device made of plastic. On the back side camera LED. On the front side 5-inch display, front camera, talk speaker. On this side power key, warm keys. On this side slot for on this side port micro USB. Open back cover. Under back cover battery 2000 mAh, 2 slot for nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Turn on device. Okay. We have TFT display. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. Android 11, spread room SC97731E, this quad-core processor, 1.3 GHz CPU speed, and GPU Mali T820. Test results. Okay, close this. Open Antutu benchmark results. Antutu benchmark results, close this. Demanding game doesn't work, PUBG Mobile doesn't work, only PUBG Mobile Lite, GTA San Andreas doesn't work. Okay, camera, main camera 5 megapixels, front camera 2 megapixels. Okay. Browser work. Okay, good. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.